In this video, I'm going to reveal the 14 best VPN affiliate programs. In addition, I'm going to help you understand what a VPN is, and if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you the best ways to promote these services. So make sure you watch this entire video. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. First things first, what is a VPN and why would someone want to use it? Now, VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, and it allows someone to hide or spoof where they are on the internet. For example, if you looked up your IP address right now, it would tell you your exact location, city, state, zip code, country, wherever you are. People will use a VPN to either pretend to be somewhere else or to mask where they are for more internet security and anonymity. There's also a different way that people use it, and I'll show you how you can make money from that in just a moment. But let's go ahead and take a look at the best VPN affiliate programs. So #1, we have IPVanish, and the cool thing with IPVanish is you can receive up to 100% of all new sales generated, and you can earn up to 35% reoccurring revenue on any sales generated. So this can be a good opportunity if you are interested in reoccurring revenue, which everyone is as an affiliate. So the payout is $100 or more, and it can be relatively easy to get up and running. You basically go to this website, ipvanish.com/partners, you apply, and you get accepted. Once you get accepted, you get your affiliate links, and you go out and you start promoting. So after IPVanish, we have PureVPN. Now, PureVPN obviously is another affiliate program, and you can see that they have a very good opportunity to help you make some money. And if you take a look, it actually gives you a projection of the amount of money that you could make reoccurring promoting their product. One thing that you should look at when promoting VPNs is you probably want to do a few review videos to see which ones that are highly recommended. The ones that offer the most privacy, the ones that offer the most security, the ones that actually aren't going to slow down your internet connection that much. So after PureVPN, we also have Fastest VPN. As you can see, yet again, earn up to 100% commission with the best VPN affiliate program. They have dedicated people to help you out. Again, really easy to get up and running. How much will you get paid? 100% for new sign up, 35% for referral. Yearly plan, 60% new sign up, 35% renewal, and then 3 years again, 60% and 35%. So you can see there are different options or opportunities to make a very good amount of money. If we go over to the next one, we have StrongVPN. Again, StrongVPN is going to actually offer up to 200% commissions. And if we scroll down, it does not look like they have reoccurring, but they do offer dedicated affiliate support. So you can work with someone if you have questions or concerns, and you just go over to affiliate.strongvpn.com in order to sign up and get up and running. After StrongVPN, we have CyberGhost. Now with CyberGhost, again, you can earn up to 100% commission. And if we scroll down here, it is used by over 36 million members. There's a lot of people using it. And the cool thing with these VPNs is it's kind of hidden. Either you know about VPNs or you don't. And so it's not an oversaturated market for affiliates and or people that need them. So there is a lot of opportunity out here if you find the right one and you match it with the right customer, which I'll show you how to do at the end of this video. When we scroll down, you can see there it's very easy to get up and running. You just click on create an affiliate account, get your affiliate link, and you start promoting it in the right places. After CyberGhost, we have ExpressVPN. With ExpressVPN, you can earn commissions, obviously, just like all of the other ones. But as you can see, very clean, very simple. It is trusted. It's been up since 2009. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee for customers. But this is really easy to get up and running. Just click on become an affiliate and away you go. After ExpressVPN, we actually have Norton. Now Norton is both a security service and a VPN. You actually will sign up through Commission Junction by going to cj.com. And in the top right hand corner, you'll see that you can earn between 20% and 200% or up to $200 per sale. Now this does include some of the other things that they offer. Again, Norton offers both security and antivirus as well as VPN services and support. So make sure that you are going through this. Now, the interesting thing with Norton is they actually have it for different countries. You want to make sure that you are either applying for it for the country that you're interested in or applying to all of them. This is a manual application review, as you can see in the top right hand corner, and you need to be accepted into CJ.com before you can apply to this affiliate program. After Norton, we have Private Internet Access. As you can see here, they offer up to 33% commissions on new and reoccurring sales over the lifetime of a customer. And one of the interesting things with a VPN is, for the most part, people are going to get a VPN, and as long as there isn't a security breach, as long as they feel secure and the price is reasonable, they're not going to leave that VPN. The only way that happens is if they feel that the price has gotten too high, if the VPN company has been in the news for exposing their customers' data. Those are really going to be the only two reasons someone would leave their VPN service. But for the most part, people are going to stay with it once they know, like, and trust the company. As I mentioned, you can earn 33% reoccurring, and it's, once again, really easy to get started. So just click Create Affiliate Account, and away you go. After Private Internet Access, we have NordVPN. And with NordVPN, you can earn reoccurring commissions yet again. The high commission rate, as you can see, our trusted brand and effective promo material means that traffic you send to Nord will convert generous commissions. If we scroll down just a little bit, you can see the commission payouts. New sign up 100%, renewal 30%, 6-month offer, new sign up 40 and 30 for the renewal, 1 year 40% and 30%. And then 2 year 40 and 30 as well. So there is a lot of option, a lot of opportunity for you to make money, not just on a one-time payment, but with reoccurring. One thing that you will notice when it comes to software companies or software as a service, they tend to offer high commissions on sign up, and they offer reoccurring because there is a low cost to maintain the customer. They basically just have to keep the servers up and running. They don't have to worry about having physical places or as many physical places as something like a Home Depot. And so it can be more affordable, and they tend to pay you out a little bit more. After Nord, we have FunnelBear. I wasn't really familiar with FunnelBear until I started doing this research, but this is yet another program where you can make money. One of the benefits of FunnelBear is they will pay you out commissions on any money that you earn. Some of the other affiliate programs out there say that you have to meet a minimum threshold of $50. They're telling you that they'll pay you if it's $10 or $10,000, which is very nice as an affiliate, that your money isn't being held somewhere, held hostage, and you can actually get the money that you earn for the work that you put in. After FunnelBear, we have Avast. Now, Avast, I know of Avast because I have Mac computers, and they actually have a free antivirus software, but you can join their VPN service and make up to 35% commission on all Avast products, which includes the VPN. If we scroll down here, there is some reasoning why you should join, but they provide a very good service. I've been happy with them. When I first looked to them, you can see they offer, again, up to 35%. And it's really easy to get started. They have over 435 million users worldwide, but you have to take into account that includes both the security as well as the VPN, and they stay up to date pretty well even for the free service. So that might be a good way to go, to promote or recommend the free service that Avast offers and let them do the marketing for the upgrade. Think about that when you are creating your content. Next, we have Panda. With Panda, you can earn up to 50% commissions on every sale, which is very, very nice. And the average order size is $50. So think about that for a second. You can earn $25 per sale. They actually work with Commission Junction as well. And so you'd have to go over to CJ.com to sign up. And Panda's been in business for over 25 years. It is ranked the #1 antivirus by AV Comparatives. But again, we are looking at the VPN, and people are using this to stay anonymous. After Panda, we have AVG. And with AVG, there's a 60-day cookie window, which is very nice. You can earn 25% commission on all sales, and they will provide you with some marketing materials, including banners, text links, and a product catalog. Finally, we have F-Secure. F-Secure is yet another affiliate program for VPNs. As you can see, they are in multiple countries, and you can start making passive income, 40% commission, for any customers that you bring to their company. So now that we have a bunch of different affiliate programs that we can promote, let's talk about different ways that you can actually promote them and make money. One of the best ways and potentially the easiest way to make money with a VPN is simply showing people how to watch Netflix in different countries. One of the questions that comes up all the time is, I want to watch full episodes of The Office, but I don't want to pay Peacock if you're in the United States. One recommendation is to use a VPN and pretend that you are in the UK versus being in the United States. The same can work other ways. Let's say you are traveling to France and you want to be able to watch the latest shows on Hulu or Netflix or whatever. You can always buy a VPN, spoof your IP address so that it appears that you are in Los Angeles and not in France, and you can make money that way. Let's take a look at Ahrefs, ahrefs.com. Now, I use this tool to help me do a little bit of keyword research. This is a paid tool. You don't have to use the tool, but I like to use it to help speed up the process. So what we could do is we could essentially just kind of look and see what people are asking. We can type in VPN, but that's going to be very competitive. We click on search. That's going to be super hard, super difficult. We click on matching terms. You're going to see a lot of people are asking questions about VPN directly. If you try and attack VPN head on, you're going to have a tough uphill battle. We can change the keyword difficulty to 5 for a new blog or website. You can see there will be some opportunity, but it's going to be competitive. 6,000 words, and there's 381,000 monthly searches for these keywords. So you could try that. It's going to be kind of competitive, but what if you could type in, say, how to watch? We'll type in how to watch, and we can see if there is even more opportunity. So what we're looking for is like how to watch TV. So we're going to include TV here. Hit that, hit apply. And what we're looking for is people that are asking questions, how to watch a TV show in a different country. How to watch TV old, how to watch Roku. We could say how to watch Hulu. So what you're seeing here is people that are asking questions about how to watch Hulu. You can see the keyword difficulty isn't as difficult, or how to watch Netflix. That's another way that you can do it. How to watch Netflix. Or you could say how to watch US TV shows outside of the country. There's a lot of opportunity there as well. How to watch, we'll say US TV shows. US TV. Whoops, we're going to have to fix that just a little bit. How to watch US. And so I just typed in how to watch US TV. You can see there are 378 keywords, total volume it says 610, but these are only for direct matches. This doesn't include any other side keywords that you get. For example, if I searched like Newegg affiliate program, this is only going to show you Newegg affiliate program. It's not going to show you Newegg affiliates or affiliate program for Newegg. So as you can see, there are 610 monthly searches just for how to watch Chinese TV in US. But you can do this for every single country. How to watch US TV, how to watch, let's say, how to watch Japan. And this could be a pretty good opportunity because not a lot of people are doing this. But then you're going to say, step 1, get a VPN. Step 2, do this. Step 3, step 4, and so on. And you could potentially make money. Another thing that you can do is you can find one. For example, this is a keyword difficulty of 28. So what we can do is we can click on this and we can reverse engineer. We can find people that are already doing this and then steal their keywords or harvest their keywords in order to help you find it. So if we scroll down here, how to watch Japanese TV online. Let's see, I'm going to type in how to watch US Netflix from... And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to copy this and I'm going to go over to Google and I'm going to paste this in. How to watch US Netflix from, and as you can see, people are typing in India, Australia, Malaysia, UK. I'm going to go to this one, how to watch US Netflix from UK. And if we go here, how to get American Netflix in UK, this person has already done the work, so we can reverse engineer. As you can see here on the right-hand side, they're promoting VPNs because they realize that that's exactly what you need to do. What we can do then is we can copy this, go back over to Ahrefs, go to Site Explorer, and we are going to paste this in, and we're just going to use the main domain name in order to help us find more keywords. So we click on search for comparetech.com, and they actually are ranked really high. If we go down to organic keywords, we can sort by keyword difficulty of 5 or less, and that's going to give us a ton of opportunity. And you could go through and you can do this for every single company that shows up, and you can do it the other way. How to watch UK Netflix and US. As you can see, people are searching this, and again, compare text shows up. We can also look down vpnmentor.com. This is exactly what we're looking for. We can find their keywords that they're ranking for. Now remember, they can rank for both the direct keyword and they can rank for kind of like secondary keywords that Google gives them. And we're going to find and harvest those in order to create our content. As you can see, there's a ton of information here. We can go down to the keyword difficulty and change that to 5 or less. The keyword difficulty is a sliding scale that gives us an idea of how difficult or easy it is to rank for a different keyword. As you can see, Advanced VPN for Fire Stick. So these are people that want to secure their Fire Stick or their streaming device. If we scroll down here, you can see there's a lot of opportunity. The keyword difficulty is 5 or less, and there's a lot of volume. These guys rank number 1, so it's probably going to be kind of difficult to break in here, but you can see there's a lot of opportunity to make money. Again, we can go back over to this one. This one's probably going to be another larger site. If we go back over to Ahrefs, we're going to paste this in and we are going to delete it. But you can see that this is how people are making money, kind of the back door when it comes to VPN. They realize that VPN is really competitive, but it's not going to be as competitive if you show people how to use the VPN. These are questions that people are asking and they don't realize that they need a VPN. That's the key to affiliate marketing, is you are solving a problem for a customer that hasn't gotten there yet. For example, when I showed you how to watch US Netflix in the UK, they don't realize that the solution is the VPN. So you're going out, you're solving the problem, and you're saying, oh, by the way, here's how to get started quickly. Hopefully this made sense. If it did make sense, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Now that you know step by step the best VPN programs to promote, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbold.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbold.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.